Hey everyone, today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on something in Roblox, and Roblox is fun, and yeah, Roblox Rivals. Yeah, right, in Rivals, I mean. So, it's actually very simple. How do you actually make a private server in Rivals? So, what you need to do first is you search up the game, and then you go to this private server icon over here, and then you click the private server. Then, you must name your server first, and then you press buy. Just like that, you just press buy. And then actually, this costs nothing. It's free. So now what you have to do is to tweak the settings over here to how you want it to be, to how you like it. And afterwards, once you're done, then you're done. That's how you have to just enjoy the game and have fun with your friends and, ciao. See you next time. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.